Hi, my name is Alessandro. I'm a professor of material science and engineering at the University of Birmingham, and we tasked you with coming up with an infographic for a material that has helped you through the pandemic that we're currently living. And we thought to help you a little bit by giving you a few examples. So here are some of my colleagues from across the UK telling you about material that helped them throughout the pandemic.
Hi, my name's Chris. I'm a senior lecturer in natural materials at the University of Sheffield, and the material that has really helped me throughout this pandemic and lockdown has been gelatin. And gelatin, lots of different types of forms. Gelatin can be extruded, it can be injection molded, and it can be just simply molded. But specifically, the types of gelatin I like are combined with sugar to make these things. Sweets. Been eating a lot of them whilst we've been in lockdown. It's helped me pass the time. I enjoy them. They feel nice in my mouth because that material has been optimized to have the right type of stiffness and strength and mechanical properties so that I can eat it with my mouth without giving it too much of a workout. However, did you also know that a range of different researchers and material scientists are looking at natural materials for use inside the body? Gelatin is just one of them. It's a derived form of collagen, which makes up about 70% of your skin, but can be found in lots of different parts of your body. And understanding how the material can be processed to get that final sort of high quality performance is exactly what material scientists do. So one day you might actually be walking around on knees that are made out of natural materials, such as silk, or maybe the same kind of gelatin that you find in your gummy bears. Thanks very much.
Hiya, I'm Eleonora, and I'm a teaching fellow in the Department of Materials at Imperial College London. I'd say that the material that has helped me the most during lockdown is sodium polyacrylate. This awesome polymer can swell up to absorb about 1,000 times its own weight in water. And how has this possibly helped me throughout the lockdown, you ask? Well, this is the main component in nappies, to provide the incredible absorbance that they have. I have a 2-year-old kid, of course. This material is a hydrogel, which is a class of materials that is capable of holding really high amounts of water within their structure. One example of uses of these materials that you might possibly know is in contact lenses. So contact lenses are hydrogels, and they manage to contain high levels of water to keep your eyes hydrated at all times.
Hi everyone, my name is Ilya. I'm a lecturer at the University of Birmingham, and my material that has helped me through this COVID crisis is carbon fibre, and that is because of this. My tennis racket. So as soon as restrictions were lifted, I got out to the hitting wall, practice wall as soon as I could. And carbon fibre is used in the frame of many modern, well, all really modern tennis rackets, because it's very lightweight and very strong for the same reason that it's used in aeroplanes and high-end performance vehicles like F1 cars. And you can tailor the properties. It's a composite material in order to really basically keep your elbow safe from all the vibrations of hitting a ball. And it's a great material, and I'm very grateful to have my racket.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a National Outreach Officer for Materials Science and Engineering. I'm based at the University of Birmingham, but I work across all of the Discover Materials departments. So the material that's got me through lockdown has been nylon, using dog leads. Because during lockdown, I've been having to walk this one quite a lot. This one's Boswell. He's a very energetic spaniel, and we've had to do a lot of walking during lockdown. So what makes nylon is so great is its high tensile strength. So when Boswell tries pulling one way, I can pull him back the other. So nylon was developed in the 1930s. It's a thermoplastic polymer. So it's very good for making fibres out of. So you'd find them as fibres in your toothbrush, strings in your tennis racket. But one of the more amazing applications was thought up by Wernher von Braun in the 1950s, who worked for NASA and proposed to use nylon as part of a composite to make inflatable space stations.
Now, you may be asking, what about the material that helped me through my pandemic? Well, you can find it right here. This is my very own pizza oven. It has helped me make very nice and tasty pizzas for my kids and my wife. And the way it makes good pizzas is obviously by heating up, but heating up particularly a stone at the bottom of it. And that stone ensures that the heat cooks the pizza in the proper way. And thanks to this stone I can make very nice pizzas. And the key thing about this stone is that it doesn't crack due to thermal shock, so I can heat it up and cool it down fairly quickly. And that property is actually quite important for other applications, such as using these materials or similar materials to shield the bottoms of re-entry vehicles such as the Orion capsule. Fascinating material, but actually it wouldn't be very much use to me unless I had a pizza peel, because if I'm not able to load a pizza in there, I'm not going to be able to cook pizza. And a pizza peel is usually made out of an aluminium alloy, and it's a metal. It's a lot closer to my area of research, which is alloys. And thanks to this, I can easily scoop up my pizza and load it into my pizza oven and get pizza ready for my family. Thank you, and we hope to see your infographic soon.